booted into WinPE, but your hard disk, SSD, NVMe drive, or RAID disk is not showing. This is usually caused by a missing storage controller driver. Many newer computers use Intel RST, Intel VMD, AMD RAID, or special NVMe storage controllers. If WinPE does not include the correct driver, the disk will not be detected. First, download the WinPE driver pack from your computer manufacturer, such as Dell, HP. Extract the driver pack, then copy the extracted folder to the Lazesoft USB boot disk. Now boot the problem computer from the Lazesoft bootable USB disk. On the main screen, click Load Driver. In the Load Driver window, click Find Driver, then select the folder where you extracted the driver pack. Lazesoft will search the INF files and find drivers that match your storage controller. When matched drivers are found, select the recommended driver. Then click Load Selected Drivers. After the driver is loaded, refresh the disk list. Your hard disk, SSD, NVMe drive, or RAID disk should now appear. Then you can continue with password reset, Windows recovery, data recovery, or disk image and clone.